Just want to ensure that I'm putting it all back together correctly. So I'm going to start with the jets, okay? Um, First thing, needle jet seat, right? You have the jet and the top, which screw together, okay? And I'll tighten all that down. Then you got the bottom of the jet, and then this part. So I'm putting the, let's see, there's a beveled edge and a recessed edge. The recessed edge goes down into the carb, and then the beveled edge couples very nicely with this pilot jet. Okay? So, into the main jet. Then I put this one in there. Okay, now you can see that it is right there. And this is in, and you can see it's got a couple threads sticking up. So let's just snug that down and then give the top just a little twist, make sure that's in there. Okay, done and done. Now we got this jet. Now this jet is really clean. The only thing is, on the head, it really is just a pin size hole. So let's see if we can get any light going on here. There, you can sort of see the pin size hole in there. It's really small, but I rasped it through with my tool, and so I cleaned out all the jet holes and stuff, and made sure not to damage them. So anyways, coming in here, that's going into that hole, and we'll put that right in there, and take my screwdriver and just and nice and snug, but nothing crazy. Okay, there's that. Now we're gonna put pilot right back in. Okay, so we got spring, and then we got a washer, then we got a O-ring, right? Okay, so we'll put that all down into place and stick it in there. I like to do it upside down so I don't mess up anything with the washers, and then simply screw it in. And you're looking for it to come up the hole here, but I'm just going to get it down to snug. Okay, so that's it, and then I'll do 1, 2 and a half. Okay, that's done. Back to factory spec. Okay, so now we got all these laid out. We're going to put the float bowl back in. And we're going to take float needle, which looks pretty clean, and I did as good of a job as I could on these float bowls, but there you go. And we will just rest that right into that hole. And grab a pen. Alright, so there you go. Sits pretty good. Okay, so we got the bowl. It's got the rubber grommets. There's your casings. All good there. What we need to do is need to drop a washer and then line up everything, drop this through that hole, bring it on over here, and there you go. Okay, so let's just okay. Just hand tight, nothing crazy. Alright, bowl assembly is done. This part's also been pretty clean. It's got a little rubber gasket there, and ain't nothing on it. Let's double check that. Just give it a little wipe down, just to make sure. Okay, back up here. Let's just finish this off. Put in your white piece, plastic piece right there, and get your spring. Pull that down. Well, I'm hoping one of these washers will fit, and just perfect. All right. And I just made a paperclip one. And there you go. Okay. Okay. Washer, spring, plastic piece, and we'll thread that right in there. And beauty. Okay, let's put together the accelerator pump. Great. Hands rubber boot first. Okay, so we can go there. Put this boot on. And I usually just get one lip on and just rotate it around. Okay. So, okay, right there. Holes unobstructed. We're good. Okay. Realign that. Okay. Still good. Okay. Great. Accelerator pump back together. Give it a couple turns. Okay. Great. So we're pretty much in the home stretch, right? Alright guys, hang with me. We're going to now put the rest of this back together. We don't got much to go. So right now it's just the diaphragm. Okay, so diaphragm's looking great. Needle, great. Moves, rebounds, perfect. Okay, perfect. So, spot right there is where you want to line up with that tab. Okay, and just slide it slowly into the jet guide. We're all good there. And line that up. Now, the factory manual says to lift up this diaphragm so you don't pinch it. So, what does that mean? Tuck the ends in, lift up, right, that's what that means. So put it in like that, right, tab in the hole, kind of feel that in, and then we got spring, and cap, that tab goes over there, so there we go. I got an 85, so alright, so now we've got our carbs rebuilt. Hooray! I also went ahead and got an aftermarket enricher. It just goes, you know, on, off. Okay, easy enough. Right up into that portion. Okay, so let's go ahead and just. Okay, perfect. Right. Start up the bike, let it get going. There you go, back down. Perfect.